a coffin if you want silence. You're gonna have to kill me, but you can't murder love. Silence speaks louder than any word, but love echoes through the void unheard. I'll stand defiant till the end. Love's the power you can't transcend. Why do you hate me so much? You cry out loud. Why do you hate? I wonder under this cloud. I fear for your heart to be behind those bars, confined in a hell of your own wars. Voices call from the other side, but love refuses to hide. I'm here coffin if you want silence. You're gonna have to kill me, but you can't murder love. Silence speaks louder than any word, but love echoes through the void unheard. I'll stand defiant till the end. Love's the power you can't transcend. Nothing overcomes love, not time or space. Even if I cross over, love leaves a trace. This coffin can contain what's divine, not trapped by hate or your design. Love's the flame that never dies. In the heavens, love always flies. Buy me a coffin if you want silence. You're gonna have to kill me, but you can't murder love. Silence speaks louder than any word, but love echoes through the void unheard. I'll stand defiant till the end. Love's the power you can't transcend. So point your gun, use your electric stun. Tear gas bombs won't kill what's begun. Weapons burst out with hate and spite, but love shines on a guiding light. I live in eternity's grace, free from your hate, in love's embrace. Buy me a coffin if you want silence. You're gonna have to kill me, but you can't murder love. Silence speaks louder than any word, but love echoes through the void unheard. I'll stand defiant till the end. Love's the power you can't transcend. From Maine to Minnesota down to LA, your terror failed, now feel the sway. A big error you've made, for stronger we grow. Your hatred fuels love's eternal glow. Together we rise above your scorn. In unity, a new dawn's born. Buy me a coffin if you want silence. You're gonna have to kill me, but you can't murder love. Silence speaks louder than any word, but love